Have you ever heard of a place where gravity seems to go completely haywire? These bizarre mystery spots dot the globe, where cars roll uphill and people lean at impossible angles. Are they real, or just an illusion? Let's explore this mind-bending mystery. Welcome back, curious minds. Today, we're diving into one of the strangest phenomena on our planet, gravity-defying mystery spots. Tucked away in forests, these locations seem to operate under their own set of physical laws. Imagine rolling a ball uphill, or feeling your body tilt in ways that make no sense. Here, water can appear to flow upwards, and people seem to shrink or grow simply by walking across a room. These places, often called mystery spots, are masters of deception. Famous examples like the Oregon vortex use optical illusions and clever slopes to trick your brain into questioning gravity itself. But some locals claim the effects are real, whispering of magnetic anomalies or ancient vortexes as the true source of the power. Scientists explain it's a powerful cognitive illusion. The buildings are built on a slant, creating a skewed frame of reference. Without a true horizon, our brains misjudge what's level and conform to the tilt. Yet, people from all over the world flock to these spots, eager to experience the bizarre, disorienting sensation of vertigo and visual paradoxes for themselves. So, could gravity really be bending here? Or are our easily fooled brains just playing tricks on us? The feeling is so convincing, it's hard to be sure. Either way, it's an unforgettable experience that challenges what we know about physics and reminds us that seeing isn't always believing.